Hello everyone, welcome to my videos. In this video I will show everyone about how to set up fingerprint in Oppo phone. For example, I try to add my finger to unlock the screen. This is my Oppo A96. Okay. Last option is the password. So I will change it to the fingerprint. Okay, we go to setting, we go to password and security, and we see lock screen with password is on and fingerprint is on. And now I want to add another fingerprint. But before add another fingerprint, we must put the passcode, the screen passcode. So I click add the fingerprint. Okay, I agree. And then we take which finger that we want to unlock the screen. We try to follow this step. We try to change the direction of the finger print. Okay, until it's done. And we can rename this fingerprint name to remember and can change the next time. Okay. And then we save. We can also delete. Now I test. Yes, it works. Now I want to delete it and add another finger. Okay, I change finger. Okay. Okay. Wait until it full process. Okay, now let's click done. You can see the option and rename. Okay, you can rename it normally. And you click screen unlock, app lock or private access. The option up to you. You can turn on or off. Okay, now I set it a success. Okay, I use my finger and it unlock. And the finger no, it's not work because I has remove it. It only the finger. Okay.